So Thor,
Yes.
can I save these for like, I've got families that could use these.
So I have to see how they're attached up top and see what's the best way that we can get these out there.
Yeah, I'd rather not destroy them. So when we open this up, Thor, can you take this down for me so it doesn't get destroyed?
Yes, I can take that down too.
I know people are gonna think I'm crazy, but I think Kimber would love this because it's so vintage.
It is totally vintage, that's
And I know
for sure.
you're gonna throw a lot away, but can we save this?
We could save it for you, Jules.
All right, I know it's a pain.
Okay, no worries.
All right.
Okay,
Watch out.
okay. So
All
this
right.
bathroom, we were gonna try to keep pretty much the whole thing. I mean,
Oh,
obviously
really?
redo it, but
We're gonna keep this vintage tile?
no, we'll get rid of the vintage tile.
All right. And you're gonna obviously take down sconces and.
Yeah,
Okay. No more smashing. Because this we can use, we can donate.
we could donate
We can
that.
donate this whole thing.
Yeah.
We're not looking to sell things, but we are looking to give to people. So, like even this little sink.
The sink, the faucet, the toilet, we could all reuse for someone else.
I just want to keep it all. I can't smash in here. I'm sorry.
Then you have to go home. This is demo day, Jules. You can't save everything. So there's a fine line between paying guys an extra hour or so to take it apart carefully and maybe.
So I'm glad we're having
repurpose
this
it.
conversation
Yeah.
because I know it is an extra hour.
Yeah.
And to me, if it's really usable, like I know I can go over the top. So if it's like this is usable.
Yes.
So it's worth it to me to pay a guy an extra hour to
Okay.
give it to someone that could really use it.
Yes, dear.
So what about these doors?
They go in the bottom of the dumpster.
They do.
Yeah.
All right.
They have
I
so
might
far.
getting a little
Yeah.
over
No one
carried
really
away
wants
with
these.
saving.
Yeah.
It could be a table.
Could be a table. I was thinking the same thing.